You finally become successful and somehow you feel more exhausted than ever. Hi, welcome to Men Matters, the platform made for men in the GCC that want to level up in life. In this channel, we give you the formula of success in this region. And today, we're going to talk about why so many successful men feel tired all the time, even when, on paper, life is going well. Well, the problem is not laziness, it's not lack of ambition. A lot of men are running on stress, adrenaline, caffeine, and survival mode for so long that exhaustion become their personality. So today we're breaking down why it happens, what Dubai's lifestyle has to do with it, and what actually fixes it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Most successful men in Dubai are not running on energy anymore. They're running on adrenaline. Deadlines, targets, meetings, notifications, pressure, responsibility, constantly being on and on. And at first, it feels powerful. You feel sharp, focused, productive, but the body was never designed to live in a stress mode 24/7. Eventually, your nervous system starts paying the price. Sleep becomes lighter, recovery gets worse, your brain never fully switches off, and suddenly you wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. That's why a lot of high performing men feel exhausted all the time. They're not weak, their body has been in survival mode for years. Dubai rewards ambition, but it also normalizes exhaustion. Late dinners, too much caffeine, phone in bed, working during meals, always available, always connected. A lot of men here wear burnout like a status symbol. But exhaustion is not success. And the scary part is, when you live like this long enough, exhaustion starts feeling normal. So eventually you stop noticing brain fog, irritability, low patience, low motivation, mental fatigue. What you think, this is just adulthood, this is reality. Well, let me tell you this, it's not. And they lie to you. Your body is asking for recovery. Most men think rest and recovery are the same thing. Well, they're not. Watching Netflix while answering emails is not recovery. Scrolling on TikTok for 2 hours is not recovery. Recovery means your nervous system actually feels safe enough to slow down. And for ambitious men, that almost never happens. Because even during rest, the brain is still working, still thinking, still planning, still worrying. That's why one vacation doesn't magically fix burnout. You cannot undo 12 months of stress with 1 week in Bali. Recovery has to become part of your weekly lifestyle, not an emergency response after collapse. A lot of this comes down to basics people underestimate: sleep, movement, food, sunlight, less caffeine, more recovery. Simple things, but consistency matters more than complexity. The men with the best long term energy are usually not the men grinding the hardest. They're the men who learned how to regulate themselves properly. The men who sleep enough, move daily, protect their peace, take breaks before their body forces them to. Because real performance is not about how hard you can push yourself for the 1 month. It's about how well you can sustain your energy for 10 years. The exhaustion is not random. It's the result of stress without recovery, pressure without balance, performance without pause. And most men don't need another productivity hack. They need their nervous system back. Subscribe to Men Matters for more conversations around business, discipline, mindset, and modern life in the GCC. As we always say, more progress, less noise.